Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install SafePal application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet, and once you are, tap open your app store. Go to the search box and type in SafePal and search. Look for this application from this search result and tap on Get in order to begin downloading the app. Log in with your Face ID or log in with your Apple ID and password, and you should be able to download your application. SafePal is a multi-currency hardware wallet and software wallet platform which provides a secure and convenient way to store, manage, and exchange cryptocurrency assets. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open to launch Open SafePal application on your iPhone. Go through the prompts and get started with creating a new wallet or restore an existing wallet and get access to SafePal. So that was how you can easily download SafePal application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.